This is Kameya's birthday party with Ali. Hi Ali. And just birthday girl. And there's Tiffany. Tiffany, why are you hiding? There's the birthday girl. Sabi na itong dalawa sa at the head of the table. They wanted to sit together. Hi sister. Can you go here? Let's sing Italian happy birthday for Kameya. Thank you. That was nice. Okay, blow it. Can you do it again? Can you put light on it again so you can blow? Light. Can you light it again, please?
I can light it.
Thank you. Okay, blow. All right, ready? Blow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, you share the cake. You eat it. Good? Good, Ali, huh?
You try the whipped cream.
Okay, everybody. Go here. Be careful.
Stop whipped cream.
Sige.
I want something. Just let Mom, where's the bathroom? Give me mine. Oh.
You have to go with somebody.
Mommy, here. I don't know what's the bathroom. Okay. Please, the bathroom. I might have to. It goes long.
Tiffany, could you move the balloon? Move the balloon. That's good.
I need a fork.
Okay. What did you do with your cake? Three little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell down and broke her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and broke her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell down and broke her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." They all broke. All right, girls. Don't you gonna go? Aren't you going to watch the?
Yeah.
Aren't you going to watch the thing now?
Okay.
Go over there first.
Let's fix the bed first.
Yeah, fix the bed. Good girls. Oh boy. Three little monkeys lying on their bed. There's Kameya's sleepover slumber party with her best friend, the great Ellie. Oh, somebody's pretending to yawn. Where's the little monkey? Where's the other monkey? Oh, there she is. There's the other monkey. I got 3 monkeys. Wala.
I'm gonna hurt you. Stay away. Hold on.
They might step on you. Come here.
Hurry up. No. I'm gonna eat you.
Somebody's mess is on the sofa. There's the balloons.